Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to another video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Press the bell icon and do leave us a comment or don't forget to hit the like button. Today we are going to block PUBG mobile game or PUBG PC game on the network. We are using MikroTik routers as our main gateway. So we will be adding a couple of firewall rule to block the game. It's very easy, it's very simple. It will block the gameplay. It might not block audio conversation between the players, or it might not block the audio messages or audio stream, but it will for sure block the ability to join a lobby or to play a game. It will 100% freeze your player's movement, and like the game will be frozen, like it will be stuck. It won't move, it won't load, it won't change lobbies, it won't exit, it won't enter a lobby. Wherever you are, wherever the player is, whatever he's doing on PUBG, it will be frozen. And the audio might not freeze. You might find the audio ports and might block them with the same procedure which I am going to show you now. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to discover the ports of the game which is in use. We cannot discover the IP addresses because they're using Amazon Web Services, Amazon Web Servers. So they tend to do a lot of load balancing and things like that. So even if you got a list of the IP addresses, the chances are they might change the IP addresses in like 10 days or 5 days or maybe in just an hour. So your firewall or your blockage might not work with the old configuration. So you will be having to discover the IP addresses regularly and adding them to the firewall rules. So better we discover the ports being used in the game and block the ports. So the ports being used in the game are TCP and UDP ports. Some of the traffic is going through UDP ports, some are traveling via UDP packets. The port number are between 10,000 to 3,000 basically. So you will be blocking all the ports between 10,000 and 3,000. In MikroTik it's very simple. It's just one rule, one line, which you will say the destination port is 10,000 dash or hyphen or minus 30,000, and press OK. Go to action and just drop the packets, and it will stop the game from working. So I'll show you how it's done. So let's get to that. Okay, all right. I've been knocked out. And I've joined the game. It's running. Now we will try to block it. So open your Winbox, connect to the router, your gateway, go to IP, firewall, filter rules, plus, yes, forward. Protocol will be TCP. Destination port will be 10,000 to 30,000. Action will be drop. Log if you want to have a log. If you want to see if it's doing something or not, just press apply, copy, make it UDP as well, apply, and you'll see number of packets rolling in. If you go to log, you will see activities going on, it's doing something. And again, same, you will copy, 7,000 to 8,500. These are also the ports for PUBG. UDP and TCP both you will add. So you have 2 TCP and 2 UDPs, and we'll return to the game and see nothing happens. You cannot do anything. It's totally frozen. Go back. Disable all the rules, and it's working now. They are going to die. Right, this is another player. Now this is all because now it's fine. Again, enable the rules and see what effects does it have. Alright, it's frozen. Even if it doesn't freezes, if the game is running okay, it will do very lethal damages to the game stream. Like even if the player is okay, you can go around, you can do anything. Some things will not work, like picking up weapons will not work. Even if you kill someone, he will not be killed. Even if someone kills you, you might actually be killed, but the stream is between you and the servers is blocked or disturbed. So you wouldn't see the actual game which is happening. So now this is actually good for the ISPs, you know, they can be free of the blame. Even if there is something, the customer complains that why you have blocked PUBG, say it's not from us, it's from the government, and not everything will be blocked, but the gameplay will be so hectic, like it will be frozen like this sometimes, or it won't enable the users or the players to pick up weapons, enter the vehicle or if he's in the vehicle, it will not allow to get out of the vehicle. So it will make the player, you know, be unable to play the game correctly. So ultimately he will have to turn off the game. Now, because there is no 100% way to block the game, the only thing is to improvise. You have to check what port they are using. If they change these ports to something new, your game will be running again. So you'll have to, like, now and then check if there is something working. You have to check why it is working. You can check your network connection. You can find out IP addresses. You can find out the port number which is being used. You can use this method. Select the game, and these are the IP addresses being used. These are the port number. Local port number. These are the remote port number. So it's 20,000, 17,000, 15,000, 15,000, 13,000, 8,000, 5,000, and stuff like that. You can block 443 as well, but it will block many of your other sites as well. So if you know the block of the IP addresses of the PUBG servers, you can just create another rule, add that block, and you can filter it out. So this is good for now. It's been working since a long time. See, some of the features of the games are working, some of they are not working. If I disable, it will synchronize. I will enable and it will freeze again. Okay, it's frozen now. See, I'll disable, we'll start again. Enable, stops again. So alright, so I hope that it helped someone, and you can block the game for now until we find something more stable and more strong. And we can also use layer 7 protocols, but that is for another video, inshallah. Right guys, so please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for watching this video till this extent. Have a nice day, stay safe, stay home. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.